Ka Episcopal Media Committee bo ka jingkmi jong u Reverend Father Gerald Khongji ba Bidarius Silla Media Committee ba Dominic Savio Dingdo kila ai ka jing berbena bodan kam naga banta ka jingkyntang Auxiliary Bishop yo Fr Bernard Laloo habakran skila aptai kbor hasilong press club uba Bidarius Silla ulayathu ba ka jingle enam kentang bishop on sedang haga por sipo puji mistem hakal beri kabadan haplau yung maneba haringkat kejingsa kilang u apostolic nuncio u beri nomi khamat jong Pope Francis u most reverend Leopoldo Grilli bat ondan lang ki bishop nagi khatsan tili ki jalaniam nagathan chatela mingi baraga por shibuji steng mensingi ondan kejingmani sacrament ba kejingle burom balingkot yo bishop thmai la benaru ya kejingpan yang kali ki pajba ki monwan sakhi ya kejingkentang bishop kiban wan na kibai pat ki parish bat ki diocese
of this month, there will be an Episcopal ordination of Reverend Fr Bernard Laloo, who has been appointed by the Holy Father on the 8th of February this year. The Fr Bernard Laloo has been an inspiring priest. He is actually the current Chancellor of the Archdiocese as well as the parish priest of Jingkyntang parish, which is the central of the Archdiocese. He has been a good worker. He has been a good priest, and he has finished his BA Honours in Political Science. He's also a Bachelor's of Education, apart from MA in Sociology and postgraduate diploma in Counselling. Also, he has a degree, and he is not only a priest, a friend, a man. He's also a writer, a song composer, and he has made 2 Khasi films, Senshar Kaja, and the other is Hatu Shenukan Yalam. And he will be ordained as the auxiliary bishop to assist the archbishop in whatever assignment that the archbishop will give to him. And on this day, on the 30th of March 2025, we expect a host of dignitaries will come. The Apostolic Nuncio to India and Nepal, Most Reverend Leopoldo Gerelli, will be witnessing the ordination of Bishop Bernard Laloo. Apart from him, all the bishops from the northeastern states, we have 15 of them, they will come. When we expect other bishops from the rest of India also will come. Apart from them, we expect a huge turnout of the faithful from the northeast as well as from Meghalaya. And we have arranged specifically the parkings so that the whole city will not be congested. Apart from this will be a smaller program in comparison to the Eucharistic procession, because the road that we will be required to block is only from the entry from Barrack Point to Don Bosco Square and Don Bosco Square to Barrack Point. The rest of the roads will be normal. Thank you.
So what is the time?
10 a.m. and we expect to complete the entire process by 3:30, 4 o'clock.
Any other leaders expected to come, non-religious?
Well, the non-religious leaders we don't know who will come, but definitely the CM and other ministers of the state of Meghalaya will certainly be available. Parking arrangements, we have already made elaborate arrangement as we normally do during the Eucharistic procession. That we can share with you in the right up here. For people coming from Juai and those places from there, they will park their vehicle at Madan Nongkamai, that is that Nepali school, also in St. Thomas School and College campus, Holy Cross Brookdean campus, and one side of the road of the fruit garden leading to Cliff Colony, Don Bosco Technical School, Laitumkra, Don Bosco Mini Stadium, STC campus, St. Mary's campus, St. Margaret's campus, Nirmali Convent campus, Holy Cross Convent, Christ King College, and one side of the road leading to Upper New Colony's parking lot, as well as the Directorate of School Elementary and Literacy, School Education and Literacy. And for vehicles that come from the west, Khasi Hills, and from Ribhoy, they will be parking one side of the road of the All India Radio, and also one side of the road leading to Lower Shimir, and one side of the road from Lady Hyderabad Park, which we call now Phanong Lai Park, up to Seven Set School. Then one side of the road of the National Highway at Barrack Point, one side of the road from MBO's office leading to MPS's office, and also the parking school parking space of Loreto Convent behind the school this side from Christ King College, Hopkinson Road, and of course the bigger place will be Madan Malki. Thank you.